Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Today's tip: are you backing up your website? Do you have backups of your website? Are you backing them up daily, monthly, weekly? They need to be backed up at least daily and preferably hourly if you're not backing them up currently. And the reason hourly is because email. If your email gets hacked and someone encrypts your email, if you have an hourly backup, you can just jump back an hour and in most cases probably recover 95% of your email. Now for websites, they get hacked often. If you see what's going on out there in the cybersecurity world, you're going to see how often these things are happening. The government websites are being attacked. HSS.gov has been attacked. So it's very, very important that you do have a backup of your website. Now that doesn't necessarily mean you need to have a service do it. For WordPress, you can use a plugin for backup and you can download that to your desktop. Maybe you're a small company that doesn't change your website often, that's probably a better way for you to go. If you have blog posts and things that you're changing on a daily basis, you definitely want to have a full backup system. The more backups, the better, at least daily. You can save 3 or 4 daily just in case you get hacked and you need to go back. You'll be able to go back to them. Just think about how much time and labor it's going to cost you if you have to recreate your website from scratch and don't have a backup. We've already had customers in this situation before they hosted with us, having that happen to them. That's something you don't want to go through. Contact us now for our hosting options. We offer secure and HIPAA compatible hosting. Please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment below. Please follow the government's recommendations on social gathering and stay safe out there.